Okay, so with this, we have to obtain the average number of hours study done by students in her class per week. Kate, did you? Surveys, 20 students and obtains the following results. So we have to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Then we're going to have to work out a Z-score for Robert, who does 16 hours. Okay, so first thing you got to do is enter this data. You're going to need your calculator. Seriously, you should never turn up without a calculator. 12, 18. Keep going, guys. You got to enter this data. Yeah, there's only 20 bits. Only. Well done. All right, so you got your data entered? Imogen, you got your data entered? Cool. Find the mean. 14.25. You're the mean. What's the mean? I am not the mean. I am the nice. 14.25. Okay. Someone stop feeding her cat. Yo. Excellent. We've got 14.25 for our mean. Okay. Now we have to work out our standard deviation. Okay, question. Do we use sample or do we use population? Why? Okay. So, I'm going to call it SX because that's what it appears like on my calculator. Shift 1, variable, 4.88. Sample standard deviation. On yours, it'll be the -1, n minus 1. Yeah. 4.88 because you round up. Okay. All right. So we've got that. That's part A done. I'm not going to change pages even though the rest of the space is on the other page. I'm now going to do question B without whistling. Okay. First thing I'm going to do when I'm going to do a Z-score is write down the what. Jacob? Jacob? Write down the what? Come on. Stop doing numbnut. What do we do first? Write down what? What you know. Nah, first. Thank you. Okay. Z equals X minus X bar over S. Okay, now what do we write down? Write down what we know. Well, we've already got the mean. We've already got the standard deviation. So let's just write down the score. Okay, we're looking at Robert's score. He did 16. So I've just written down that one. You've already got the other two written down as part of the first question, yeah? Okay. Now we're going to substitute in. So Z equals 16 minus 14.25 over 4.88. So you'll notice these numbers are not necessarily pretty. Okay? You're going to start getting numbers that are not pretty. Okay, so 16 over. Oh, and you'll notice mine comes up with a little thing because I'm still in stat mode. So if I want to get it out of stat mode, I just go 1 comp, and now I go 16 minus 14.25. Oops, should have done that whole thing as an over, but it's all right. Let's go over 16 minus 14.25 over 4.88. 0.36. Cool. Now, what does that tell us about his score? Is it above or below the mean? Above, because it's a positive Z-score. Okay? And is it 1 standard deviation above? No. Is it half a standard deviation above? It's about 0.36 above. Okay. So it's not even half a standard deviation above.